Welcome everybody. In this video, you're going to see another brand new Airdrop video that can potentially make you money. So what you need to do, you need to just focus on here. You don't need to have fancy stuff for joining in Airdrop. Don't take squeeze. You can make money, from everywhere to anywhere through anything. Just you need to have internet connection and smartphone. So let's dive in doing the best Airdrop ever. Okay. So open Ledger Airdrop. Just click on the Explore Testnet, or I will provide the direct link of this testnet inside of the description box of this video. So just what you need to do, you need to just follow the video, follow the instructions, and apply in your action. So fair models, fair rivers, and blockchain. You are so much early, so much early. You are so lucky to join in here. Join waitlist on Discord. So simply click on there and join their Discord. Okay. Cause of if you notice giant airdrop, they they give allocation based on Discord activity. So this Discord activity is crucial to getting emerging allocation, emerging eligibility in the airdrop section. So therefore, I will encourage you to interact with Discord of their stuff, because of everything would be consider your activity, everything. So you are in here, the more message you will do, the more activity your XP would be. Okay, so simply just write, answer them, help each other. Okay, do those stuff in here. Okay, then what you need to do, come back in here again, scroll. Beta testing live on 4 days 20 hours, so much earlier because of it is not still published. 4 days remain. So let's say you want to get update about it, so therefore join our Telegram channel. I will message you for that. Okay. Their roadmap, data intelligence layer phase on. In this phase, community will host its nodes and source the internet data. So don't worry, there are 6 phase. Okay, phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, phase 4. So anyhow, we will go to up. Okay, we join waitlist on Discord. Okay, a lot of stuff coming on inside of here. These are coming. If I do um, scroll in here, if you notice that in here their extension will be available. Okay, if you are extension user, Android apps will be available. A growing pool of internet data similar to common grail. A lot of stuff is going on. If I do a little bit scroll, frequently these apps will be unlocked. Okay, coming soon. It is coming soon. It is not yet published. Okay, decide model coming soon. Okay, a lot of stuff is coming on. Even they are, you are so much early. Their testnet is going to be published within 4 days. Okay, so therefore, if you want to get more update about it, definitely you need to join our Telegram channel. So our Telegram channel is this. I do help airdropper for doing airdrop. So a lot of stuff today I showed people leave out answer. So a lot of stuff is going on here. A lot of airdrop I do share in here each day. So if you want to be part of it, definitely check out, consider to join in our Telegram channel. It would be worthwhile to join in here, totally free.